Henri Matisse was an iconic French painter whose work spans across many decades and styles. He was born in 1869 and received a formal art education as a young adult. He soon broke away from the more traditional painting methods that he had been taught and began painting in an impressionistic style, which was popular during his time. He became one of the leaders of an emerging post-impressionist art movement called Fauvism. Fauvism is a painting style characterized by rough brushstrokes and vivid, non-naturalist colors which express strong emotions. During Matisse's Fauvist painting period, which lasted roughly from 1905 to 1908, he painted a variety of portraits, still lifes, and landscapes. Beyond Fauvism, his style continued to evolve and employ bright colors and patterns. In the 1940s, he began making paper cutouts and collages, also known as découpés. Today, Henri Matisse is remembered as one of the most influential and prolific artists of the 20th century. I made this incredibly fun tutorial that shows you how to make a Matisse-inspired collage. You should check it out.